My name is Robert Fenning, and I had ReActiv8 installed December of 2021. I was in the Air Force for 33 years. I started out as a kind of law enforcement, and then I went into public relations, and ultimately I ended up spending about 20 years doing intelligence. I did have a parachuting accident. I just noticed that the back pain just started progressively getting worse and worse. It didn't matter what I was doing, which is extremely frustrating from a standpoint that, there's nothing you can do to relieve your back pain. I've been through the acupuncture. I had cortisone injections. I've been through the nerve ablation. Unfortunately, none of those procedures really had any impact on me. And ultimately, I was able to get the referral up to Dr. Harros.
Robert's pain was pretty much constant 24/7. He had pain sitting, rising up out of a chair, getting in and out of the car, doing small day-to-day activities.
I, feel the grinding in the back, the having to twist constantly in order to try and relax the back.
His MRI was pretty unremarkable. Mild degenerative changes of the age-related type. There was fairly moderate atrophy or fatty infiltration of the multifidus muscle.
Through atrophy, your brain forgets how to make those muscles trigger. ReActiv8 gives your brain that physical sensation that says, hey, I have muscles here, and now let's use them. You feel the device turn on and activate those muscles, and it's such a unique experience because you've had all of this pain and suffering for so many years, and it's just like quiet. And it's an experience that is very hard to relay to somebody who's never had chronic pain.
Robert had been stationed in Germany earlier in his youth, and he really wanted to take his wife over there and show her the places that he'd been during his younger days. And he couldn't do that trip because of his back pain.
We went to Germany last fall. We walked easily 2 miles a day and enjoyed the Oktoberfest immensely. Just having that freedom to go and do what we want to do. I took a walking stick just in case. Never used it. When we travel, I take about 40 pounds of camera gear. Being able to get out and enjoy those sights with her has been one of the great pleasures of my life. I felt disillusioned in a lot of ways in the medical care with regards to lower back pain. Advocating for myself to get referred out to the civilian sector was a huge advantage to me.
Many physicians just look at the MRI, see that there's nothing obviously surgical, and tell the patient, sorry, that's it. Over time, these patients can get depressed. This really affects them. If patients don't have a functional core, a stable core, that's obviously going to lead to a lot of issues. So to finally have an option to treat that with ReActiv8 has been really eye-opening and game-changing.
Since ReActiv8, my mental, emotional health has improved significantly. For the veterans out there that are suffering from chronic low back pain, the ReActiv8 device is a fantastic opportunity to help reduce or eliminate a lot of this chronic low back pain. I'm a big proponent that if something works, that people need to know about it.